Every journey begins with a step down, a step away from comfort, a step toward God's path. To follow the road na hinanda niya sa atin. Para sa akin, yun ay ang magmahal. Magmahal sa mga taong nasa paligid mo, lalong-lalo na sa mga taong malalapit sa iyo. May famous quote nga na, love begins by taking care of the closest ones, the ones at home. Home is where the heart is, ika nga nila. A place where love, joy, security can be felt. Sometimes we must first find it, and then choose to build it. Love lives in ordinary moments. The little acts, the compromises, the patience can be hard, messy, and even confusing. But it trains the heart to love beyond comfort. Kagaya ng pagpa-vlogs in public. Nakakahiya pero alam ko sila yung unang tatanggap sa akin. Mga taong hindi ako uhusgahan, ikakahiya at patuloy na susuportahan sa mga bagay na kailangan kong gawin kahit na hindi ko sila patugok. Akala ko nung una, masaya na to just be able to live by myself. Earn money, eat good food, drink coffee, and be satisfied. Well, the longer I live by myself, the lonelier and more depressed I become. Kaya nag-thank you ako kay Lord kasi niligtas niya ako. Ngayon, na-experience ko na yung joy to live for Him. Now I can say and believe that I have been crucified with Christ. It is no longer I who live, but Christ lives in me. Ang daming mabigat na pagsubok, but we prevailed, not by our strength, but by God's sustaining grace. Tuhod ko nga, umiyak na eh. Now, before we enter the new year at kumain ng Grahams, I just wanted to share yung nangyari sa amin. Natupad na din na makapanalangit, makapag-usap-usap kami. The best part, na-share din namin yung gospel sa kanila. Hindi lang sama-samang nagsalo, kundi sama-sama din kaming nakapagsimba. Then, when I saw one of them raise their hand to accept Jesus, I was in tears. The prayer we have been asking for was answered. It was a beginning of a new life in Christ. Bago pa nga yung countdown sa New Year, may naisama ng count sa langit. It was a humbling experience, one God allowed me to walk through, to be hospitable, to serve, to love, and in the end, it was fulfilling. Nasa simula pa lang ako ng journey ko toward loving others. Siyempre, goodbyes happen, but God's love will always remain. This experience still confirmed that God's love for us stands true. In the past, in the present, and in the future. I'm looking forward this year to share this love to others. And syempre, sa'yo din. Happy New Year, kapatid. And this is from Someone Ordinary.